So the first question, that means 21st question here, you can have a look at this. I think the presentation is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. M. Hamel is introduced as a ruler welding teacher. Understand this phrase, a ruler, a person who is using the ruler and mending or repairing or forming students. Means a teacher who uses children, uses ruler in order to teach the children. This demonstrates that he is concerned, is adamant, is unfeeling, is a hard taskmaster. Can anybody answer this particular question? Does it mean that he is concerned, is adamant, not able to change his opinion, adamant, is unfeeling? Unfeeling means doesn't have feeling for the students, or he is a hard taskmaster. Which is the correct answer? Can anybody?
Option D.
Option D is the correct answer. Yes, yes. He is a hard taskmaster. That is the correct answer. Let's come to 22nd question. Why was France surprised? Why was France surprised? Because of the village elders, because of the police patrolling, because of students' behavior, because of M. Hamel's kind and polite behavior.
Option D.
Option D.
D is the correct answer. This kind of MCQ, sometimes we will feel that other answers are correct, but you have to find out the most suitable one, where you have a direct clue in the lesson. What is Hauser bring? What does he brought? He brought sweets, children, friends, old friends. Which one? Did he bring sweets? No. Did he bring children? He might have brought his son or grandson. We do not know, not mentioned in the lesson. He brought his friends. Maybe he brought his friends also, but not mentioned in the lesson. So what is the correct answer? Again?
Option D.
Option D.
Okay. For how many years did M. Hamel serve the school? 20, 35, 30, 40. Very clearly answer is given in the lesson. Isn't it? For the last 30 years of service is mentioned in the lesson. Why did the villagers come to meet M. Hamel in the school? Option: to complain, to say goodbye, to gossip, to show gratitude. This is the correct answer.
Show gratitude.
Right, right. Please, more and more children should come up, okay? You can say. What did Mr. Hamel bring for his class on his last day in the school? New pens, new notebooks, new, again it's repeated, new notebooks, it is repeated 2 times, storybooks. What is the correct answer? What was? Okay, here I left one. What was M. Hamel wearing on the day of the last lesson? What is he wearing? Option: black cap, frilled shirt, green coat, all this. Was he having black silk cap? Yes. Frilled shirt? Yes. Green coat? Yes. That means this. This is the correct answer. Is it not? What did Mr. Hamel bring for his class on his last day in the school? New pens, new notebooks, storybooks. Of course. Which one? New notebooks, new notebooks. 2 times is repeated. So new notebooks. Expression thunderclap in the lesson means. What does it mean? Loud but not clear, loud and clear, startling and unexpected, unpleasant. This is the correct answer.
Loud and clear.
Loud and clear, loud but not clear.
Sir, option C.
Yes. Any other option? Option C, somebody said startling. This is the correct answer. Why was Franz feeling regretful and sad? Why he felt regretful and sad? For reaching late, for not learning participles, for change of the government, for not learning his mother tongue. Is the correct answer?
D.
For not
learning his
B.
B, for not learning participles. As a whole, this is the answer. Okay, he did not learn participle means he did not learn mother tongue. It is actually participle was the lesson supposed to prepare on that particular day. But then, poor in this language, he is going away. He has to stop studying French. He did not know how to read and write. So this is the correct answer. France thinks, will they make them sing in Germany when the Fijians? What could this mean? Option: German would use brutal force over everyone. Harsh orders will be passed. When people are deprived of their sense, even the surroundings are affected. The Germans will rob France of its language. Please read it and tell me which is the correct answer. German would be brutal force over everyone. Harsh orders will be passed. When people are deprived of their essence, even the surroundings are affected. The Germans will rob France of its language. Which is the correct answer? Can anybody guess if you are not sure? Any guesses?
Sir, option A.
Option A, German would be brutal force for everyone. Any other? Any other?
Sir, option B or D, I think.
Sir, option C, when people are deprived of their essence, even the surroundings are affected.
This is the correct answer, actually. Okay, this is the correct answer. C. Why did Hamel blame himself? Why he has blamed himself? Now, not having taught them enough French, not being strict, giving students a holiday at times, not being responsible. Question number 31. Question. Which one?
Option
Not
D.
being
Not responsible.
Option
D.
D.
Yes.
Not being responsible. Okay. Then you'll have doubt. Not being strict, that is not because he was strict. Not having taught them enough French, he has done his part. Not being responsible. Now these two are there. Which is the correct answer? One is connected with the another, but actually direct answer is this. He has given them holiday when he wanted to go for fishing. It is mentioned in the lesson. So I think so doing that is not being responsible, that is understood. But being textual, this is the correct answer. C. Okay. Now 32. What does M. Hamel's motionless posture reflect? What does it reflect? His motionless posture. Does it reflect the school is dismissed, a sense of finality? Then changing order of life, feeling of nostalgia. Please tell me which is the correct answer. The school is dismissed, sense of finality.
Sir, option C.
And how finality.
This is the correct answer. B. B is the correct answer. 33. Why does the author urge the reader to respect his language? It is what makes you respect your countryman. It is a key to freedom. You can express yourself. It is unique and reflects literature and art. The correct answer is B. Textual.
It is the key to freedom.
Okay, right. Viva la France becomes emotional evidence of M. Hamel's sadness and patriotism, finality and expression, nostalgia and emotional outburst, love for the school and teacher as a profession.
Option A.
Option A, correct. What is the moral that Alphonse Daudet wants to bring out? Not to put off things that one can do that day. Old order changed to new. One should accept everything that comes. Teachers should be respected. Yeah. What is
Option
that?
A.
Every day we said that tomorrow, isn't it? Not to put off things that one can do that day. That is it. Dash asked Franz not to hurry to school. Old Hauser, former mayor, former postmaster, blacksmith. Clear on it, textual on blacksmith. Franz find the atmosphere outside Dash as compared to learning rules of participle boring, attractive, monotonous, annoying. What is the correct answer? Franz find the atmosphere outside Dash compared to learning rules of participle. Did he feel like boring? Outside
No,
ആണ്
sir. Attractive.
attractive. Yes, he was
Attractive.
tempted എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് അല്ലേ? Dash occupied the back benches in the class, weak students, teachers, monitors of the class, village elders. Who are they?
Village elders.
Clear. M. Hamel blamed Dash for not sending students to school. Parents, friends, teachers, watchmen.
Parents.
അവരാണ് വീട്ടിൽ നിന്ന് വിടുന്നത്. So it was parents. Franz was able to understand the grammar lesson easily because he was receptive, appreciative, introspective, competitive. What is the correct answer? Receptive. Find the correct statement in the following. Look at these statements. For the last 2 years, all the good news came from there. Usually when school began, there was quietness. What a thunderclap this was to me. It was in the honor of the first lesson that he had put on his fine Sunday clothes. Now, which of the statement is correct? That means only one statement is correct, others are wrong. Last 2 years, all the good news or bad news? Bad news has come from there. So this is wrong. Usually when school began, there was quietness. No, noise. What a thunderclap this was to me. This was there in the lesson. It was in honor of his first lesson that he had put his Sunday clothes. Was it first lesson or last lesson? So the answer is
Last.
Okay, 3. Thunderclap.
Option 3.
I started for school very early that morning and was in the school great dread of scolding. Is it correct? Here. In the open field back of the sawmill, the Russian soldiers were drilling. Through the window, I saw my classmates already left. After the grammar, we had a lesson in writing. So, out of this, which one is the correct one?
Option
Option
B.
4. Option number 4. What is the mistake here in this sentence? Through the window, I saw my classmates already left. Already they were seated. Okay, so this is wrong. What is the mistake here? It was not a Russian soldiers, it was a Prussian soldiers. So 4 is correct. Next is, here you'll have to pay little attention. Rearrange the sentence in the correct sequence and choose the correct option. While I was thinking of all this, I heard my name called. When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in the front of the bulletin board. All at once, the church clock struck 12. I jumped over the bench and sat down at my desk. So out of this, which is the first sentence? When I passed the town hall, that is the first sentence.
Option D answer.
Option C. Option B, you say?
D.
D. Here 2 has come. Now let us see what is the second sentence. While I was thinking like this, I heard my name called. This is after reaching the school. This is at the end of the class. After this, this is the second, is it not? Where do you find a 1? Where do you find a 2, 4? Here.
Option A.
2, 4. So option A. Again, we can verify. Coming to the third statement, while I was thinking of this or this, so this is 3 and this is 4. Like that, 2 4, this one, and this, and this. So the option A is correct. Coming to the 44th question. It was their way of thanking our master for his 40 years of faithful service. The order has come from Berlin to teach only German in the schools of Alsace and Lorraine. The only sound was the scratching of the pens over the paper, but he had the courage to hear every lesson to the last. Now here, which is the first one? Let's find out of this. It was their way of thanking. The order has come from Berlin. The only sound was scratching of pens, but I think this is the first statement out of this. So in that case, now itself we can confirm this is the correct one. The second statement, it was their way of thanking. This is true. Then the order from Berlin had come. Then 4. Okay. Now assertion type question. 45. Franz was in great terror of scolding by his teacher. Reason. He lied to about his parents. Here, just look at the first statement. Whether it is correct. The correct ano, tetano. What do you feel? Franz was in the great terror of scolding by his teacher. Is it correct or wrong? Whether Franz was correct? Yes, it is correct. This statement is correct. Now, next one, what you have to find out is the second statement. He lied to him about his parents. Adu shariyano tettano? Second statement.
False.
It is false.
False.
Option. Both assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. From the first part itself, we understand that this is wrong because we said that only assertion is correct, reason is wrong. Isn't it? Coming to the second one, both assertion and reason are correct. This is also wrong because only assertion is correct. Now next, assertion is true and the reason is false. Again, assertion is false and the reason is true. Here, assertion correct aanennu paranju. Therefore, this is also wrong. So, assertion is true, but the reason given here is not the real reason. Therefore, question number 3 is correct. I hope you understand this. മനസ്സിലാവുന്നില്ലേ?
Yes, sir.
Let's come to 46. There was a crowd in front of the bulletin board in that town hall. There was an order from the commanding officer. Okay, two things are there. Now, we have to find out in the same way whether the first statement is correct. There was a crowd in front of the bulletin board at the town hall. Is it true?
Yes, sir.
There was an order from the commanding officer. Is it true?
No.
Yes, this is also true. So both the assertion and reason is correct. Now let's look for that. Both assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion. This is one statement. Both assertion and reason are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Then assertion is true, reason false, assertion is false. This also we can block it because we already said that both the assertion and reason are correct. Out of this, which one is the correct one? There was a crowd in front of the bulletin board in the town hall. ഈ crowd അവിടെ കൂടിയത്, is it because there was an order from the commanding officer? Can you tell me whether the reason is correct?
Yes, sir. The reason is correct.
Reason is correct, but whether the reason is the explanation of the assertion. Reason correct ആണ്. But then whether this reason is the reason for the assertion. Both the statements are correct. What the order was there? The order was എന്തിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള order ആണ്?
The lost battles and
Many times they received orders, order of the commanding officer, order about lost battle, like that. Many they have received earlier, that is mentioned there. But on this particular day, the order which was there, it had come from Berlin. It is mentioned very clearly. Okay. Pinna forcefully taking people into the force order is issued by the commanding officer, but this order has not come from the commanding officer. If the commanding officer is not the person who is going to introduce what you call this particular language over there. So both assertion and reason is correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. This is also wrong. Both assertion and reason are correct, but the reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. This is the correct answer. Coming to 47. France saw M. Hamel walking up and down with a terrible ruler. Correct alle? Ano? M. Hamel was angry with France for being late. Is it correct? No.
No, sir.
So we have to find out, easily we can find out assertion is true then assertion is true. M. Hamel was angry with France for being late. Assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation. Assertion is true and reason is false. So here you have to tell me assertion is false and reason is true. France saw M. Hamel walking up and down with his terrible ruler. Okay. M. Hamel was angry with France for being late. Assertion is true, reason is false. Assertion is false, this cannot be. Assertion is true, reason is false. M. Hamel. So okay, what do you feel? 1, 2, 3.
Sir, option C.
Option B. Both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct. If you say that this one and this one is correct, then this cannot come. If both are correct, then the reason is being late only. This cannot come. Anybody? He did not scold him. That is true. But does it mean that he was not angry with him? Normally, he used to punish him. But then coming late, he was not happy, no doubt, because he told earlier, but he told that you must be ashamed of yourself. So, this is the correct one. This is also wrong. Both assertion and reason are correct, and the reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. Question number 48. I think there is some mistake here. Yeah, there is some mistake. Can anybody suggest? Come up.
Sir, option C.
I think this is the correct one, isn't it? Third one is correct. Because this kind of questions, I think we don't have to go to application. What is directly there in the test is applicable. Better to take this one. Second one is false. Second, since he did not express it, because he said you should be ashamed of yourself when he was not able to answer. So C is correct. 48. M. Hamel had been wearing beautiful green coat, frilled shirt, and kill cap. It was his last day in the school. Both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then both assertion and reason are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation. Assertion is true, reason is false. Now we can come here and tell me whether this is correct or wrong. This one. M. Hamel had been wearing beautiful green coat. Correct. It was his last day. This is also correct. So in that case, both assertion and reason are correct, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. First one is the correct answer. 49. Young men of the village were sitting in the back of the classroom. Reason, they were sorry because they had not gone to school. Both assertion and reason are correct. Reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Young men are the village. Is it a young man? No, this is wrong. They were sorry because they had not, but the people who had come there, this is correct. So, assertion wrong and reason true. This is the correct answer. So we are just going through this MCQ. This is only one publication. There are several publications I have already given MCQs and I have already posted in the classroom. I hope that you will go through.